Hello everyone, welcome to the third shortcut. Now, let's say there is a triangle, alright, and inside this triangle, from each of the vertex, I'm drawing one line. Like this is the first line which is already in front of your screen, then this is the second line, and this is the third line. If these three lines do not meet at a particular point, or I can say if these three lines are not concurrent, then how many point of intersections I'll get? You can see here, this is 1, 2, and 3. We get a total of 3 point of intersection here. Now, if I say, let's say there is another triangle, from each of the vertex, I draw two lines like here, then this is the second, and then this is the third one. So from each of the vertex, I draw two lines, and if I ask you how many point of intersections we'll get, provided that no three lines are concurrent here. So if you start counting, how many line points are there? Let's see here. I'll say this is one, then this is the second, and then this is the third, fourth, fifth, okay, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, and then you can say that is 12. So in total, there are 12 point of intersections are there here. All right. Now, if I say instead of two lines from each of the vertex, if there are three lines from each of the vertex, then how many point of intersections are there? Now it will be difficult for us to count, but let's say if we can count it here, I can say, let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, this is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Then I can say 22, this is 23, then 24, then 25, and then 26, and this is 27. So if you observe here, there are total 27 point of intersections. But if I ask you, okay, let's draw 4 lines from each of the vertex or 5 lines, then of course we cannot do the counting here. So if you observe here, the one of the important thing in this case is, here the total number of points is nothing but that is 3 into 1 square, which is equal to 3. In this case, it is 3 into 2 square. So 3 into 2 square is nothing but that is equal to 12. Similarly, if you count here, it will be comes out to be 3 into 3 square, and 3 into 3 square is nothing but that is equal to 27. So in general, I can say through each of the vertices of a triangle, n straight lines are drawn to the opposite side such that no two of the three n lines are parallel and no three lines from different vertices are concurrent. Then the number of point of intersection made by these lines is 3n square. So that's a general formula which you can use directly in the questions here. So I hope that this shortcut is also clear to all of you. So in the next lecture, I'll introduce some more concepts. If you want to keep update yourself regarding these shortcuts, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as you can also join our Facebook group and the Telegram group, the link of which has been provided in the description below this video. Thank you.